got beats.
Alright guys, another day for another workout. So nandito po ako ngayon sa perminti magudari. So guys no, magwa-warm up muna ako. Tapos gagawin ko yung workout nandito ngayon. Parang circuit to. At parang ang daming gagawin ngayon. So kahapon pala is 2 days po pala ako wala 2 days po akong hindi pound kasi wala sila. So mag 7-minute workout muna ako, balik ako agad. So guys no, natapos ko na po ang warm up at ito na pong gagawin ko. Nasa likod ko yun, parang ang dami pero oo nga. So yun yung circuit ngayon. Baka madami to kasi wala silang kahapon at saka yung isang araw kasi kahapon fiesta ng Cagayan de Oro, tapos yung isang araw Bispiras. So may mga parade silang pinuntahan at may dinaluhan. Pasensya na po talaga sa Tagalog ko, hindi po ako masyadong fluent sa Tagalog pero I'll try my best to talk in Tagalog. So lang baka sa Tagalog. So guys, this will be what we were doing, what I am and we. This is what we are going to do today. And just like the last time, I'm gonna take the video on the last set of the circuit or the workout and see you there. See you in a bit, okay?
You're never gonna make it. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. Yeah, maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Really fucking fight. Really fucking fight.
No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you're just fake. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to get south.
Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. Yeah, maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back.
chill, bitch. We just turn it up, yeah. Man, we on that real shit.
Count it, count it, count it, count it.
100 tracks, what you know about it, bitch, don't get it.
Count it, count it, count it, count it.
100 tracks, what you know about it, bitch, don't get
That's
it.
100 in the works. We the top to finish first. Whole squad fucking cursed. Modest touch on every verse. Counted 100 a piece, ayy. Counted 100 a weeks, ayy. Started off Q203, ayy. Now in the hills all this heat, ayy. We the rebels, not the saints. Fuck with us, got no restraints. Freedom pouring out our veins. Break the hell out of these chains. Feels like I'm going insane, cause I haven't made a name. Conquered, then we came. Get the hell out of my way, ayy. 100, go count it. 100, go count it. 100 tracks, never missed a week. Fucking count it. 100, go.
Kapoy. That's it. I mean, let's work out. Time flip.
They can't keep us quiet, just call me the pilot, cause we mobbing out united, yeah, we came to work, and we came to play, work hard, play hard, almost every fucking day,
So guys, no, natapos ko ang workout na nakakapagod. Talagang nakakapagod. Kasi those past 2 days, hindi ako masyadong nag-workout. Hindi talaga ako nag-workout. And parang tumaba ako. Hindi tumaba, parang yung endurance ko nawawala. Kasi sa hindi pag-workout or pag-exercise man lamang. So ganun, napakagod. So guys, ito pala ay 5 rounds, pero 3 rounds lang kinuha ko. Kasi first pa lang ng workout, nung parang ganun, sumakit agad yung dito. And kasi mali yung gawa ko sa workout. Dalawang rason is may pupuntahan ako, tumawag yung girlfriend ko. Tapos sabi niya may pupuntahan daw kami. And yeah, dito ko na tatapusin ang kanta. Joke lang. So this is where I'm gonna end my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to push that notification bell for more videos. And Kadush, see you in the next video. Bye.